Brother, we have too much at stake, bad man. You see me? So we have to think this over. If it's the next war, I don't want the community for a bill.
Stone, how am I supposed to process this? Me and Top Ranking have an understanding, so how will you tell me affect me?
Boss, yeah, because the little thing we go down with the youth them from 14 man and chopper.
Look, that sound like a you problem, brother. Me link up on that business because don't tell me say the war over there squash. Everything quell.
Boss, remember say youth them running on the side. And we did have to deal with it.
No, Stone. No. Me go over there, go deal with it discreetly. But I wanna go load it up. Go shoot up the place like an idiot.
Brother, remember say Trevor run in, you know, and help throw gas on the station.
You know what? Come to think of it. You're right. Yeah, man. You're right.
Remember say him bring in 14 man them, you know, and chopper did a program them.
Destiny?
Yes.
You must say yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, me know your father teach your manners, so you must practice it up here. You want popcorn?
Yes.
Not this thing I know. Popcorn where you eat.
I know.
Oh, okay. Your papa did send some for you. So you want me to go get it for you? As a matter of fact, come for some. Alright? Alright. The papa did say a traded, you see? The one near Scaramouche.
No, Uncle Shepherd, it's caramel.
Caramel. Yeah. And the one you have salt, and the one you have anchor butter upon it. Which one you want? Or you want the one with the anchor butter? Just butter. I'm picking no more than me. Yes. Tell me when to stop. That alright? Okay, great. Alright? Heat up the sunak. Now go to the ground. Run it back. So, when you're done, you come round there, yeah?
Uncle Shepherd, I can get some water, please?
If you can get some water, of course you can get some water. Hold on. I'll go and get it for you here. I'll soon go.
Hear me now, Stone. Tell Top Ranking say, me dealing with me for deal with already. So me no business with this chopper thing.
Like family, no bossy.
What?
Yeah, man, I nephew.
So this personal. Look here, no, man. How not for work out that? A business me I deal with.
Yeah, bossy, let me ask you something. You can't take on to a youth them from over 14.
Who ever pay them? Look here, man. They done give a piece of food already to deal with my business and my things. So, if we no want, you can give Top Ranking something out of that. But count me out tight, me not no money to give nobody.
We're going to work it out, bossy. No worry. Just don't want the war start up back. We do and the man them.
Make sure you deal with it, because enough money invested in that project here, and a peer problem from its start. Me link you for make it easier. So don't pay for do. Fix it.
I say 40. I get done in a 39 or less.
Look at that for the top ranking and for it myself. Them incompetent people here.